Alright, here's an example of some duplication that can be removed. So we have two methods here that are event handlers for a context menu click. One is to select sort descending and the other is sort ascending. But you'll see the implementations repeat this line and this line. The only real difference is that this line has a different value. That means we can create a subroutine out of this and just pass this value and eliminate that duplication. So let's make a new method. Okay, I'll call it SortSelectedColumn because that's what we're operating on here. And we're going to want a SortDirection. Alright, now let's copy this down. And now you can make this be this. Yeah, there's more we can do here too. So we'll start though by just calling our new method, which will be, there we go. Cool. So we got rid of the duplication. There's some more duplication though still in here. One is this phrase and the other is this method. Let's start with the phrase. So that data type I'll hover here, it's order by columns. So order by columns. Okay. Oops. My indentation got off because of that. Let's try that again. Boop. Alright. So this is actually making the routine larger, but it's more efficient because we're not dereferencing these object properties twice. Also can enhance readability a little bit. Okay, and then let's go after the other offender, this SortSelectedColumn. Okay, so in here we've got a bunch of stuff happening, right? It's calling another method here, doing some more work, so we really don't want to call that twice. Let's go back here. You know, usually I don't want to declare a variable before it gets used because, let's say this for some reason caused an exception, then we would have wasted work making that other instance. So I'm going to move it down here, even though it might be tidy to have them both up here, because, right, this one will be, what's it, order by column? Just a column. Alright, right, so we get the selected column, and then we say, you can see we really do want to move it down here. So we'll get that sort column, set its sort direction, and then add it. All right, so there we go.